Today, you have CAR Ts available in almost all EU countries, so access can be achieved, and the medical innovation that CAR T brings is recognized by peers. But it does take innovative approaches so that local needs can be met and local situations can be fulfilled. What is still seen as a challenge, though, is the time from once reimbursement is granted, from patient identification of the individual patient to approval to proceed with CAR T. This sometimes still can take weeks, which is important time for the patient, and that needs to accelerate going forward. Overall, I think the perspective is truly exciting. When we got engaged in CAR T, only very few clinical trials were ongoing, and today it's hundreds of studies looking into a whole new range of targets, new indications, including solid tumors, as well as non-oncology indications. And if I look at our own T-Charge program, new innovative approaches will further improve response rates, as well as turnaround time to something like 7 to 10 days, so much, much faster. And with that, a lot of innovation will come forward to the field. So truly exciting. It's a new pillar in treatment, and hopefully more and more patients can benefit from it going forward.